In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen using Gemini in just 5 minutes. This is a handy skill, whether you're looking to show a presentation, collaborate on a project, or simply walk someone through an online process. Screen sharing allows others to view your screen in real time, making it easier for everyone involved to understand and engage. Let's start by opening Gemini in your browser. Make sure you're using your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gemini website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your workspace. Gemini is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, so you should feel right at home if you've used similar tools before. Now that Gemini is up and running, you'll need a screen sharing tool to showcase your content. There are several options available depending on your personal preference and any software you might already be using. Common choices include integrated tools and video conferencing applications like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet. If you don't have access to these, you might consider downloading a dedicated screen sharing app. Once your screen sharing application is ready, you'll typically see an option to either Share Window or Share Browser tab. This is the next step in the process. If you're interested in showing the audience everything happening in a specific window, including any switching between tabs, select Share Window. However, if you want to focus solely on what's happening within the Gemini tab, and you prefer not to have other tabs visible, Share Browser tab is the way to go. This option helps maintain a clean and professional look and keeps the focus on the task at hand. Choose the specific tab or window with Gemini open. This will ensure that everything you do within Gemini, every click and interaction, is visible to your audience. Taking a moment to double-check this selection can save you from any accidental miscommunication or delays later on. Now that everything is set up, your participants will be able to see your interactions live as you navigate through Gemini. They can watch as you annotate, move through presentations, or update any project details, allowing for a seamless collaboration experience. To make the most of your screen sharing session, remember to speak clearly and describe what you're doing as you go along. It's always helpful to verbalize your actions, especially for those who are following along without a visual guide of their own. Your audience will appreciate your explanations and the opportunity to ask questions if something isn't immediately clear. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to create engaging and informative sessions easily. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now be well equipped to share your screen with Gemini quickly and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy screen sharing.